All right, everyone. Bear with me. There's a lot going on. I'm using 3 computers, 4 monitors, and also Zoom. So it's going to be a little weird. This is a tutorial on how to live stream using DLive. It's associated with Steemit. I don't know the details yet. Today is February 1st, 2018. A lot's going to change in a couple of weeks, I'm sure. But if you want to stream now, this is how you do it. I've done 10 tests, and I'm going to go ahead and show you right now. I just realized that I messed up. So if I share, I need to make sure I share the computer sound and optimize. So as you can see here, oh, it's blurred. Oh, no. Stop sharing. I keep messing up. All right, let me do it again. Share computer sound desktop 2. There we go. Oh man, I hope I didn't share too much stuff. Who cares? Okay. As you can see, right here, I've got a frozen OBS. I totally forgot that it screws up my OBS when it's open, but it doesn't matter. It might matter later when I restream to DLive. So here we go. Okay. Now, all you have to do when you get accepted into using DLive is to accepted into Steemit. As you can see today, what I did was I created 10 tests to stream at DLive, and each of them had different settings. I was testing it originally at my full settings, which I'm using now. I was also using it, testing it at my settings at 720p at 480. And the thing is, earlier in the day, wait, what's going on? I don't see anything streaming. It is streaming. Okay. Wow. I am sorry. Things are just weird right now. I don't know why they're weird. It doesn't show me as streaming. Okay. Wait, switch account. It should have emailed me anyway. Okay. All right. Here we go. It's showing. Oh, man. Let me share. Let me stop sharing for a while. Okay, and it fixed itself. So when yeah. All right. I'm sorry. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Like I said. I just need to post it so it knows, so people know that I have it on. Okay. I need to edit post and put in a title. This can be very, very annoying. Here we go. Shoot. No, don't do that. Okay, here we go. All right, here comes the tutorial. All right, so it's very simple. Like I was showing before, and don't mind my OBS. This happens every time you're on Zoom. It freezes this part, so don't pay any attention to that. Like I said, I was testing different parts of DLive, and it had issues early on in the day. You could see I was testing 4 hours ago, 3 hours ago, and I retested an hour ago, and guess what? Everything was working fine. So all the times that these tests failed was due to server hiccups or network issues. So don't mind that. Now, once you have access to Steemit, you get access to DLive. How's it going, Eric? And now this is the basic setup, and I have everything zoomed in. Now you just have to put in a thumbnail. These are basically the default, everything that you need in order to start streaming. So there's just a picture of a Tupac right there, and a title. So I'm gonna do the example test from tutorial. Now you have to pick a category too. I think there's supposed to be more categories. If I pick all category, it doesn't seem to make a difference. So you have to pick one. So I picked learning because, well, we are learning. I don't think you need to put in a description, but I'm going to put in a description anyway. So description is, this is an example test from my tutorial on topic Ebon tutorial live streaming via DLive Steemit using OBS 02/01/2018. Language, you also have to pick a language. Now, this part where the encoder authentication, now every time you do a DLive live stream, you're going to get a new server URL, you're going to get a new stream name key, you're going to get a new password. The only thing that doesn't change is your username. Now I'm going to copy that, and you can just press that automatically copies. So in your OBS, you click on your Steam settings, you go to your Steam. You need to have your stream type set to custom streaming server. OBS hasn't implemented DLive servers yet. You also need to click on the use authentication checkbox. So the server URL, simple, you go and paste it in there. Your stream name key, now you have to unhide it in order to copy and paste. So I'm just gonna make it disappear. And I'm going to go ahead and copy it over. And then my client name, that's easy. And then my password for my client name is right there. So I'll move that back up. I'll press OK. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, what you would click on next. If you don't have any issues, you're pretty much it. It says one step away from live. So that's good. You can edit your Steam post with everything that it has here. You could add tags. I've noticed that if I add tags, you can't even search for tags yet when you're in DLive, so it's almost not even needed. So tutorial Steemit or DLive or live stream. All right. And rewards, sorry, you can't see it because I have it zoomed out. If I control 0, that should fix it. Yeah, something is wrong, but it might be because I'm sharing. So rewards will be set at 3 different things. The default is at the top, so I'm just going to keep it at the top. And when you click on post, it'll take you to the next screen. Now, you can change a couple of things, and it's fine. This video details URL is what you're actually going to have in order to be able to view viewers to view it. So I'm going to go ahead and post it in the live chat. You're not going to find anything, and it's buggy. So if you actually, so you won't find anything yet because I'm not live. And if I click start, it's still not ready yet. It's starting, and it's going to have a pop-up coming up soon saying, okay, you're ready to go. So we'll wait for that pop-up. And we'll wait. Rebel or Amanda, hi, how's it going? I'll go ahead and answer your question now. So Rebel, you say, you're asking, is DLive a part of Steemit, or is it another thing I need to sign up for? It's a part of Steemit, I'm guessing, because in order to log in, you use the same credentials as you would going into Steemit. Okay, so when you get this message, don't forget to click Start Streaming in OBS to start live streaming. So at this point, you could go and click on Start Live Stream. And I am going to stop the sharing because you just click on the Start Streaming because I want OBS to work when I'm actually streaming. So I click on Start Streaming, and we are live. So now at this point, I'm going to actually log into Steemit. Actually, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. It's a little crazy, like I said. So right now, if you click on that link, you should end up going to, sorry, things might be a little bit laggy right now because I'm streaming 2 different sources. It's weird. Okay. It's starting to go live. Okay, so if you click on that link now, you should be able to get to the live stream that's actually going on in DLive. I wouldn't find the page. Couldn't find the page. I found out this is a pretty big bug. You can't use that link. People won't get to it, so you have to click on live. Click on the example testing from tutorial, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is that you need to get to. And all right, things are smoother now because it's actually encoding and doing all this other stuff, other magic. Yeah. Okay, so here's where it gets crazy. So I'm streaming. You can what you need to do is when you go to DLive, and I'm going to have to share my screen again, and things are going to go crazy here on the example stream in DLive. I don't know how it's going to be with the YouTube stream and Periscope stream. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, this is what it looks like. If you hit the end button, that just ends the stream, and it doesn't matter if you end it here. You're basically not, your stream ends in DLive. So if you want to end it, you want to click on Stop Streaming, and then you're going to have to wait 20 to 30 seconds because there's a 20 to 30 second delay from what you're actually airing and that DLive actually streams. So if you type in something in the chat room right here, that actually takes anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds to show up here. Now, the thing is, you can't, at least my previous testing, you can't send another one until you wait 20 seconds. Like it'll give that error, chat failed, reason error, request failed with status code 500. You have to wait 20 seconds until you can send another chat message. So it kind of makes chatting in live chat a little bit difficult because you don't want to do like really, really small examples of text. So when you're chatting with other people, you want to use as much writing as you can do. Now, so if that was probably more than 20 seconds. If you click on it, yeah, it works now. But basically, if you want to send another message in live chat in DLive, you got to wait 20 seconds. That might change. So here I've got the URL right here. You can see this is my live page. But if I actually try to, so this is what I'm actually getting to, but sometimes you can't get to it right away, and that's a bug. Because so what I end up doing is you can't search by tags, like they have these automatic tags. It does nothing if you click on any. What you have to do is you select your category, and I'm at learning, and I'm the only one that's streaming using the learning category. So if you have issues getting to my any DLive live stream, you have to click on and you have to find it through here. So that could kind of be an issue. Now, when I'm going back and you're going to end a stream, I'm going to click on stop streaming. So that's going to stop the stream. But if you notice here, it's not ended, right? It's going to end eventually. And I noticed that it takes 20 to 30 seconds until it ends. So don't press the end button right after you press the stop streaming button, because it's not going to, you might be cutting off the last 20 to 30 seconds of your video that you're live streaming. So wait that 20 to 30 seconds. And when it goes blank, go ahead and click on the end button. So I'm waiting. And I mean, it's going through a lot right now. It can be annoying. Having to wait. Let's see. And like, there's no button. Unlike if you were on Periscope or YouTube, if you clicked on live, it would take you automatically to the live session. It doesn't do that. I don't know why this is taking so long. It should be ending, but it's fine. If you end your stream on OBS, you pretty much end what's going on, what the user sees. I'm thinking that's not 100%, but we'll just wait for this whole part to end. So I think there's a lot of bugs still left for, all right, see, it's blank. That means I stopped it. Now you can go and click on end, and it says you can't restart or edit ended live stream. Continue. Okay. So no matter what, that's it. What you live stream, what you did, everything stays there. You can't edit. So you can download. I've noticed that I can't download any of my things. If I do, nothing happens. So I think that's something like a feature that's upcoming but not working right. If you go to your Steemit and you refresh, you can see that the example test from tutorial is right there. Now, when I end this stream right here, so when I end this stream that's going on YouTube and Periscope, I'm going to go ahead and upload it. And if you go to my Steemit, which is steemit.com @ebonkim, you're going to go ahead and see this tutorial there. So if this is probably going to be outdated, but if you really want to stream now to DLive, you can. I would suggest not using it quite yet and restreaming it there. So that's what I'm going to end up doing. And I hope this tutorial helped. It's really simple to set up in OBS. If you've already set up OBS to stream other things to other channels like YouTube, Periscope, wherever, you'll have all your settings ready. All you have to do is put in the stream key and the URL. So and the user info. That's it. The rest of the stuff is basically playing around with your settings within DLive, and you just have to remember a couple of things that you have to set, and that you're going to experience that when you end your OBS, it's going to take 20 to 30 seconds or more for it to end on that page. So don't end prematurely. That's it for the tutorial. I'll be back maybe in 30 minutes to do a new segment called Thankful Thursdays, and I'll see you guys then. Thanks. Bye.